how to find replaced files on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to find replaced files on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your control center or control panel. So search for control panel and click on it. Once you're on your control panel, you need to find system option. Click on system. You'll see the settings screen appear. And on the right side, you will have remote desktop. Search for remote desktop. Once you find it, you need to click on it. Once you click on the remote desktop, you will find this kind of interface. I need to go with system restore. Then click on next, which will be on the bottom. After that, select any files that you want and then press next. Finally, click on finish and it will restore your replaced files. And that's how you find your replaced files on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.